Hello here, hello there, hello everywhere. I'm back and welcome to my vlog. So tonight we will be cooking tajine. It's actually a camel meat, which is a new thing for me. I am with Amin. He will be the one cooking. Hello, Amin. Amin is washing the camel's meat. Okay, let's continue with our tajine. So those are onions and potatoes.
Aziz, Chef Aziz.
Chef Aziz and Chef Amin.
Morocco.
From Morocco. Ingredients aside from that.
Potatoes.
Mm-hmm.
Tomatoes.
Carrot.
Carrot.
Carrot and
ولكن راه جيبهم بعدا باش نشوفوا. كورجيت.
courgette, yeah.
شنو تقول الكورجيت؟
So these are the ingredients. Fresh from the farm. This is potato, tomato, carrot and carrot, courgette and
And the camel.
salt and pepper.
توابل.
So, milhi and filfil. And ايش في تاني؟ Pepper, yeah. Paprika. Oh, you have to put some paprika. And olive oil or no?
No. Olive. Of course.
Olive oil. Okay, so he is drizzling the onions with olive oil. One is in the tajine pot and the other one is there. Huh?
Same tajine.
Same.
Same tajine.
How do you cook it? You will just put that one there and leave it like
1 hour.
1 hour for each hour.
1 hour for each. Okay. How many people can eat that?
6.
6 people.
6 people. Huh?
And you 7.
Oh no. We will eat there. I just want to vlog it.
Eat pizza.
Yes, yeah.
لا غادي تدوق معنا.
ممكن بكرة.
بكره؟
انت سوي ثاني بكرة؟
ان شاء الله.
ممكن.
tajine نفسه؟
ممكن.
مختلف نشوفوا دجاج.
Yeah, دجاج ممكن.
كوك ياك.
Oh, so this is paprika, huh?
No.
What's this?
هذا
This is
Curcum.
curcumin. Yes, yeah. In English, that is
كركم.
yeah.
كركم. هذا شو يقولوا له
turmeric in English. And then I
Where
mean
are you
it's
from? Philippines?
from Philippines, yeah. Both of you from Moroccan. But you know, in the Philippines we have many Filipino Moroccan. Father Moroccan, mother Filipino. Yeah, they are beautiful. Yeah.
Beautiful mother or beautiful father?
Nus.
نص.
ما خليته مش طالع ولا.
Philippines.
He is putting now the camel's meat, onions with
تعال اخويا. اييه. احنا خدامين وتنصور كاع. فيديو.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, good.
But don't take my face.
No problem.
Only the hand.
No problem. What?
On metal.
Aluminum?
This is better.
Yes. This is tajine clay.
Natural.
Yes.
But we haven't to
Heat it.
the same.
But how many minutes for this? How many minutes for this? Same.
The same.
Okay.
The same.
So this is olive oil. Which one is better, this or that? Same.
They're the same. They're the same.
And then when you cover it, around how many minutes?
1 hour and a half.
But very small fire.
A small fire.
he added the pepper and then curcuma
Salt pie.
and salt pie. So salt. So after putting all the vegetables, he put some water and then pepper, curcuma, salt, additional onions.
Do we cover it now?
Okay. Oh, you're cooking.
طاجين مغربي الله يعطيني الصحة شوف
This one has more spices. He put some paprika, ginger, salt, pepper, water.
Now we will cover it.
So this is the traditional clay pot, Tajine clay pot, and usually when it's boiling, it overflows because there's no hole or something, and the guy put a knife like just to prevent from overflowing. Unlike the aluminum, it will never overflow because they have a small hole here and there and there. So that's the difference between the two when you are cooking tajine. Let's see if it's already cooked. So oras na hindi pa luto. Is it cooked now?
Yes, it's already enough.
Wow, so it's like around 1 hour and 20 minutes, huh?
Yes.
This is the cooked camel tajine.
Camel meat.
What about this? Nothing.
This one is not used.
Nothing. I still more water. Oh, but it will be cooked. Okay. Oh, you put more olives also, huh?
Okay.
But this one without olives. No.
This one is
Oh, there's also
with olives.
Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. So that's the end of our vlog today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So luto na siya at kakain na sila. I've tasted chicken, lamb, fish, vegetables cooked in tajine. But this time it's kind of different because it's a camel. It's first time for me to see camel meat being cooked in Tajine's pot. And they are going to eat now. I'm not gonna eat with them because I'm already on intermittent. So let them enjoy Tajine. Thank you for watching. Broccoli.